Hi, this is the demonstration of Teach by Zooming controller, and as you can see on this computer screen, there is a live image taken by the camera in hand. This camera in hand is mounted on the robot end effector, which is here right in front of me. Now in this live image, you can see that there is a piece of paper, white piece of paper, and on which there are four black dots. These black dots serve as the Euclidean feature points, such that these feature points will be detected and tracked by the camera in hand. And also these feature points will be seen by the fixed camera, which has a zooming capability, and this fixed camera is mounted here on the tripod. So as we detect and track the feature points in this live image, these feature points are compared with the feature points corresponding to the fixed camera, and using homography decomposition, the rotation and translation between the set of images will be computed, and this rotation and translation would be used to generate the linear and angular velocity commands for the robot, such that the robot will be moved from its current position to the desired position. So now as I select on this feature point, it becomes a green dot. That means it's an active feature point. And at the same time, you can see that there are these red dots on the screen. These red dots correspond to the feature points taken by the fixed camera. That is, those are our desired feature points. So as soon as I click on this last feature point, the robot will start moving, such that the green feature points will be regulated to the red feature points. That means the pose of the robot end effector will be regulated to the desired pose. So now as you can see, the robot has started moving. So at this point, the translation is almost regulated, and the rotation about z-axis is need to be done. So the control objective, as I said before, is to regulate the current camera coordinate frame to the desired coordinate frame, which is captured by the fixed camera. Now this control objective can mathematically be said as to regulate one of the feature points, which is I've chosen as this top left corner feature point. This feature point is regulated to the desired pose, that is, it is regulated to the desired Euclidean coordinates, and the rotation, which is obtained between the image taken by the fixed camera and the image taken by the camera in hand, is regulated to the identity matrix. So when this rotation is regulated to the identity matrix and this feature point is regulated to the desired Euclidean coordinates, we can say that the control objective of regulating the coordinate frame corresponding to the camera in hand is regulated to the desired coordinate frame. So now we can see the first feature point is perfectly regulated, and there is some residual error between the rest of the feature points, between here and here especially. Now this residual error it is mainly because of the uncertainty in the camera calibration matrix. So the paper assumes, so this Teach by Zooming controller assumes that the perfect knowledge of the camera calibration matrix is not available. So that's the demonstration of Teach by Zooming controller.